Not notice. Not there is some urgency. This is with regard to the 22nd Sampriti rally as
He'll
called
take it
by
up.
the political party, not all over the state and in all blocks. And Lordship kindly appreciate the
But
situation.
rally is not something new here.
No, not
You
move,
have
but
moved
not
for permission.
22nd.
The very same writ petitioner has moved for permission. He has been granted.
At least there are 3 cities in the country which has declared red alert on 22nd. And not all over the state and in all blocks. Not if this Sampriti rally is carried out. Not this will be going against the court's order as pronounced by your lordships on 2 occasions.
No, what is the rally about?
The political party is arranging this all religion Sampriti rally in all blocks of the state as a counterblast to the ceremony of 22nd inauguration of Ram Mandir.
That is going to take place.
But I don't know. But there are permissions granted through courts for the purpose of organizing certain ceremonies. Round about that ceremonial places, not these occasions, these rallies.
So what do you apprehend? See,
this can be done on any day or not with the intervention of paramilitary force. At least at the places where the permissions had been granted.
So, what do you anticipate?
Large scale violence, riots, which happened in Ram Navami and Hanuman Jayanti. The state has a guideline for the purpose of carrying out any rally. There has to be a 2 weeks notice at least. On 16th, the announcement was made for 22nd.
And Bar Council of India wants to declare that as a holiday.
Or not to pass adverse order is also a suggestion.
But how is it going to affect that program is to take place
in West Bengal? Everywhere permission has been granted for certain these ceremonies or religious endowments.
So we can say that sufficient safeguards can be done. No hate speech that will be protected. Where is the
not the ideal situation?
No, can somebody inform the Learned Advocate General?
The state has in place a guideline. Not your lordship may recall.
I am appearing on behalf of the state. I am led by.
What is this Sampriti rally means?
In all
harmony. Sampriti in English is harmony.
In all blocks of the state of West Bengal, there will be rallies carried out for the purpose of maintaining, say, religious harmony or whatsoever harmony amongst the various communities.
No, actually, Advocate General, what they say is, on 22nd, some of the organizations have organized some celebrations for which permission has been granted. So because of this, they apprehend that those programs may get disrupted, may ultimately result in a law and order situation. So what is to be done?
Lord, we have received 35 petitions from different organizations for holding whatever is to be held, which are to be held between 12 noon to 12:45 p.m.
12 noon to night 12:45 p.m.
No. For 45 minutes only.
Oh, 12:45. That is on 22nd.
That is on 22nd.
And 35 permissions have been granted.
Yes. We have been made known of those.
And this is spread over to the state or within?
No. Within the city of Calcutta.
No. This is for the entire state. Please see paragraph 6.
Just a minute. May
permission, 35 permission.
Oh, no, that is only for Kolkata. Not what about the other states?
May I give the entire facts, Millard, before my learned friend starts? Now, this Sampriti rally is to start, Millard, from 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Which is much after, Millard, the conclusion of whatever they take. Number 3 is, Millard, this Sampriti rally is to start from Hajra crossing and would proceed towards Baliganj Phari through, Millard, the Hajra road and will culminate at Park Circus through the...
So I can't reach home.
Yes, you...
Then I have to come to...
and there will be a meeting.
Also can't
yes.
And we will come to your place.
Yes. No, you have to come to my place through that same road.
Then we can't.
Therefore, Millard, there is hardly any scope, Millard, for any kind of, Millard...
But these are all very congested areas, thickly populated.
And seat of controversies, not in so far as riots are concerned. Park Circus, a huge meeting will be conducted on the same day. That's the program
That we
schedule.
read in the newspaper also.
Yes.
It will culminate there and there will be a meeting there.
Yes. So therefore, Millard, there is hardly any scope, Millard, of
But
any.
one thing is, you have also been conducting rallies, you have come to court, sought permission that was objected to by state, still the court has granted permission. All that we can observe is that the sentiments of people should not be hurt.
Right. Right.
And in certain other orders have been passed by Supreme Court also, the question of hate speech, triggering something,
Right.
speaking something which may incite some sort of an anger in one section of people, that may result to have a cascading effect. What was said may be wrongly interpreted. So if that can be avoided, it will.
Yes, definitely.
So, Millard,
Definitely, it goes without saying.
Millard, I
So,
just
therefore,
quote your
Millard, I very respectfully submit, but this is absolutely speculative. Just because, Millard, there is a program on that day, but in fact, Millard, on 21st, yesterday, Millard, I was doing a matter. On 21st, in this area, within say 3 square kilometers, there are 5 meetings of 5 political parties, and we are arranging for that. We are arranging for police force.
Millard, I just
So
need to
every-
demonstrate to your
everything is
lordship.
there.
Millard,
Problem
please
is
see, come to page 79.
I'm sorry,
Millard,
Millard?
this was the guideline, Millard, which the government itself promulgated for the purpose of not causing any inconvenience to the public.
Now, we interpreted this to mean
You
that
know,
there is
it
no
can be
strictity.
reduced. No, let them show that for all the blocks, there has been at least applications made for carrying out these rallies. Not why this indiscriminate, not, please come to the situation, not please see page 37, not what happened on 2 occasions. But your lordship's court had to intervene to come to the rescue.
Officer,
Not who takes not care of the situation, what may erupt on that particular day. It's
Because
an
I have
outstanding
great
program.
doubts. I don't have instruction in that case. Kindly take it up after half an hour. But I don't think it is in the entire state of West Bengal.
Yes,
or
it is
in all
called.
blocks.
On all blocks of the state.
That
That's the
may,
speech.
that
That's the
may
speech.
be your program.
No, that's the speech. That's the speech on 16.
No, in this writ petition, in page 5, para 6, in an official press conference held in Nabana, this was the announcement.
We have the video. That is the official announcement. On the day, Millard, the permission was granted.
Instructed all district officials of the so-and-so party to conduct such rally in all blocks in the state on the eventful day.
We have the video. But,
This will cause a lot of inconvenience.
Entire blood.
See, the problem is, this is a call from the political supremo. People under direct control, no issues. Suppose some mischief maker is there who has not taken any permission from the police. Suddenly, around 500 people start walking in the main market area, disrupting traffic, people movement, etc. There will be. So at least to that extent, here the route has been published. The police, state police will know that the people will go through this route and meander here and there. But through all blocks to be conducted, there should be some regulatory mechanism.
Millard, then Millard, the respondent number 6 has to be served.
It has been served. Served and notified even.
Yes, let a notice be served on them.
yes, we have done that.
But I cannot speak for the respondent number 6.
No, but then we can make an observation that if any other group of people or a political party wishes to organize such a rally on 22nd, that should be with the prior approval of the concerned police authority. As per your notification.
And my submission would be not on 22nd. If it is for the all blocks, why on 22nd itself, the chosen day? This is bound to create large scale activities. Your lordship
he has a right to choose. The others also have a right to choose a date.
What are these permissions granted for?
Litigation.
And your lordship will kindly consider when a program was.
Please hear this order, sir. This public interest writ petition has been filed by a member of the Legislative Assembly of West Bengal and a leader of a political party, and wherein the petitioner seeks for a writ of certiorari to quash the decision arrived at by the respondent authorities, which has the effect of allowing the perpetration of the public rally, which has been planned to be organized by the sixth respondent political party on 22nd January 2024. The petitioner also prays for issuance of a writ of mandamus to direct the respondent number 1 and the state police authorities to restrain the workers, members and officials of the sixth respondent as has been planned by the sixth respondent to be organized on 22nd January 2024. The petitioner also prays for a issuance of a writ of mandamus to the respondents 1 to 3, namely the Chief Secretary, the Principal Secretary, Department of Home and Hill Affairs, Government of West Bengal, and the Director General and Inspector General of Police, West Bengal. Of the movement of the public and the and the grave likelihood of breach of peace and tranquility. Of the rally has also been mentioned in the press statement. Undoubtedly, such a rally will disrupt the normal flow of traffic and will definitely cause inconvenience to the general public. There may be cases where the ambulances have to transport the critically ill patients which are likely to be affected. Therefore, it is the duty of the state as well as the duty of the sixth respondent political party to ensure that the common public are not affected on account of this rally being organized, or else it may cause resentment in the minds of the common public who have to commute to various places in the city on 22nd January 2024, which is a working day. So far as the instructions which has been said to have been given to the district functionaries of the political party to conduct similar rally in all the blocks is concerned, this will cause immense hardship to the public of the various blocks in the state of West Bengal, since as of now it appears that no specific permission has been granted for conducting such rally blockwise. Therefore, if at all any organization or the local or the district level unit of the political party is desirous of conducting a similar rally, it goes without saying that the procedure for obtaining permission as notified by the state government has to be scrupulously followed. Full stop. The apprehension of the petitioner is that permission has been granted for conducting certain programs on 22nd of January 2024, coinciding the consecration of the Sri Ram temple at Ayodhya. And there is every likelihood that because of the rally, those programs will be affected and there is a likelihood of breach of law and order. The learned